This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Yaris maintenance light. This simple process can be done right in your driveway. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm your odometer shows the total mileage, not trip A or trip B. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. Now, let's initiate the reset. Locate your trip meter reset button, usually near the odometer, and press it down firmly. While still holding this button, turn your ignition key back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Continue to hold the button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will know the reset is successful when the maintenance light begins to flash. Soon after, you will see a series of dashes appear on the odometer display, which will then disappear. Once the light turns off completely, you can release the trip meter reset button. Turn your ignition key to the OFF position to finalize the process. This straightforward method is effective for many Toyota Yaris models. However, vehicle designs can vary, so always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate instructions for your specific model. Remember, resetting the light simply clears the reminder. It does not perform the actual maintenance your vehicle needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.